Alright guys, so what we're going to do is weld a couple of these L brackets we made onto this beam, and that's going to help hold our headlights on the drag car. So I'm going to go ahead and weld them up. Alright guys, so got those welded up. Basically, these are going to sit on there like that. I'm going to punch holes right through here on either side. It's going to hang on to the top of the radiator support. And then our lights are going to mount boom, 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 boom. Oh. So they're going to sit right here facing me this way. And that'll be attached to the body, so it's not the bumper. And it'll be a lot more secure. Also, if I ever rip off the bumper, the headlights can still be running. So, alright guys, so this is the basic idea. So mount one light here, obviously one light there. It's going to sit in, mount here and here, or on the rigid frame. Now the next set of lights, they don't just come straight out. They actually are set back a little. So that's what we actually have to measure and find out, and that's what we're going to do now. So we're going to set this up and actually mount it, hardware we're going to mount it with some self-tappers, and then we'll probably get some bolts that actually go there eventually. Or maybe not, we'll probably just self-tap it, let's be honest, it's us. So that's what we're going to do right now, try and slide this sucker in there. I got to figure out how I actually can do that. But yeah, we're going to try it. Alright guys, so I'm going to weld a stack in here so we can put the next level on for the second headlight. It needs to be 1.5 inches back. We're going to do that now. Alright guys, so here you see basically the final product. It hasn't been painted yet, but 2 brackets will hold up our little L beam, which holds 2 of these lights on either side. So now Matt and I get the pleasure of trying to stuff this back into the car. So I think we'll paint it first, and then we'll give it a try. All right, guys. So here we go. Final product. Little touch-up paint on there. We got it wired. We're just gonna go with a 2-wire, so no low beams. Whole brightness every time, and it's quite bright. Did it on both. So this will still be removable from the car, and these plugs will literally just have an eyelid on the ground, which is actually the white one is the ground, which is weird. And then we'll run the power wires together and then up under the dash to a switch. Then we will literally have headlights. So I'm just gonna have to work on taillights next because they're not present whatsoever, and I definitely want brake lights as well. So I gotta figure out a way to do that, and we'll get it done. Alright guys, so here you go. Let there be light. Those things are super bright. Just, here Matt, get ready to hit the switch. Just show you guys here. So, turn them off. It's lighted outside, okay? There's big LED lights, shop lights outside. It's very bright, you can see everything. Turn them on. This thing lights them up even more. Holy crap. I'm super stoked with it, guys. It's extremely bright. It looks extremely good. Go ahead and turn them off. And look at that. Super mean looking now. It's our new hood, actual 79 hood. Oh, it's mean. Especially with those drag stars. Look at those. It's the 94 series. You won't see it. They don't make them anymore. Just waiting for my tire for the rear, guys. The rear tire is going to be a 325 50 R15 on a matching wheel to the front. But as for now, we're already hooked up to the switch panel. And oh, I just can't get over how good these lights look. Looks so awesome. And then we still have to wire and figure out the brake lights for the rear. But these are the smoked LED tails. So, smoked LED tails, always a big fan of them. They look awesome. They basically hide, and then they're incredibly bright as well. They'll basically be as bright as LED Fox's taillights, because they're the same exact thing, except they're like a ruby smoked lens, so looks really good. So that's all we got, guys, for right now. Hope you enjoy the update. Take it easy. Keep those tires smoking, flashing lights behind you, and peg that speedo, as always.